see him again. Well, here I am.
North of the island there lives a dear old train. A little travel engine, Toby is his name. He's quaint and old-fashioned, but careful and wise. His coach is Henrietta, and she's seen better days. His makeup's returning to the good old days when they were busy working every day. But nobody rides with them nowadays. They can't understand why things have changed. Their line is closing down today forever. Toby, oh Toby, what will become of you? The world's much nicer whenever we see you. Toby, dear Toby, there's still lots that you can do. Oldies but oldies, we still care about you. All of the children came to say goodbye. They clapped and cheered as Toby rang his bell bye-bye. Everyone was sad to see them go. Whatever will they do, and where will they go? Suddenly news came to brighten up their day. How Toby and Henrietta were needed right away. The fat controller had written to say, could they please come and help right away? Now they're part of his family forever. Toby, oh Toby, show them what you can do. The world's much nicer whenever we see you. Toby, dear Toby, there's so much to learn from you. Oldies but oldies, we still care about you. Oldies but oldies, we still care for you.
Wait, but I don't get. How are you still alive? Well, it's a long history. You see, as I pretty much fell into the ravine below, I pretty much discovered that I really didn't truly die. Sure, I lost my powers, but I was still alive somehow. But eventually, when I got back up, no one was there. Not you, not Rob, not even Cole, but my worst enemy yet by far. The one that tried to kill me, Mr. Bacon Canada. Uh-oh, so I knew the best thing I could do was to try to run into my speed as fast as I could. And actually try to find somewhere to hide. Where'd he go? Nowhere in sight. So that's pretty much how I'm still somewhat alive. Alright, Mr. BC, I forgot about him. Yep. Say, what are you doing around these parts of Sodor? Oh, well. Rob died, and, well, I just decided to come back here. I see. Wait, what? Rob died? Yeah, he pretty much did. His sensors were fried, and so he couldn't get him back to repair mode during that time, so he told me to just leave and go. So, what's gonna happen? what's gonna happen is that Diesel 10 has a brand new invention. He likes to call. He calls it artificial intelligence, and he plans on bringing back Sir Fat Hat. Oh, nah, not him. Yep, that guy. Toby, Proteus, it's been a while. Do I hear you chugging along the rails? Oh no, he's back. Oh boy. What's he plan on doing? Trying to kill the both of us for good this time. Wait, weren't you killed once by him already? Yeah, that's why I fell across the ravine. Oh yeah, that's right. Time for you to die. Uh-oh. Toby, no! How dare you? You're gonna pay for what you done! Oh! I'll come back next time, Toby. You'll see. Oh, that's how you fell down the ravine because of Mr. BC. Guess what? I'm back. Run right. Boys, get back here. It's such a nice day, Percy. Yeah, I agree. Hey, isn't that Toby over there? Oh yeah, I see him. You guys! What do you want? So, first off, look who I found. Hey, guys. Oh, my goodness. Is that? Yep. My good old friend Proteus. Proteus, this is Thomas and Percy. Thomas and Percy, this is Proteus. Hello. Nice to meet you two. And, looks like we're all going to die. Wait, what? Well. Look what we have here. 4 little engines. Actually, I am not. Shush, nerd emoji. That's it. Ah! Ooh, that's what I heard. Alright, Proteus, you know what we could do. Yep, that's right. Alright, all 3 of you, I want this a clean and not dirty fight. You ready? Yeah. Yeah, indeed. I don't know, but I'll try. Alright. 3, 2, 1, and then, Ike. Oh, please, Julius. You gotta believe in it. You gotta believe. Ooh, and 1 down, 1 left. Thomas, I think we know who's the clear winner already. And here we go. Second game. Proteus versus Mr. BC. You shouldn't have done that. Huh, cry about it, you baby. Ooh. Now you're really gonna Here's Proteus. Oh man, that's gonna hurt a lot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know who the winner is already. And say his name. This is just ridiculous. I'm out of here. Proteus, well done, lad. You truly beat the living snot out of him. Yep. Well, what do you say we go have a nice Thanksgiving with the other engines? Sounds good by me. Don't forget about me, you guys. Wait, Rob? How's it going, my dear friends? How is it truly going?